Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. And if you've come back for one or more times, thank you. You are important too. Today, we are talking about ideas how to alter and use playing cards beyond the basics. And beyond the basics are, tags, journaling cards, belly bands, that kind of thing. The things we make all the time. Well, today we're going beyond those. But what I'll do is I did a video about the basics, how to alter playing cards last summer, and I'll put the card above so you can go check it out. This is one of the ones we did. This is an example of something I showed you in that video, so definitely check that out. The card's right above. But today we're going beyond this, even though I think this is so cute. So what can you do with playing cards besides pockets, belly bands, journaling cards, tags, and tuck spots? Well, let's get started. First, let's take just a second and talk about where can you find playing cards, okay? I find playing cards at estate sales, thrift stores, garage sales, those kind of places. Because it doesn't matter really if I'm not doing a certain project if I have a full deck or not. Now, if it is important that you have a full deck, then I would suggest maybe Dollar Tree or Walmart to get a good deal on cards. Now, what can you do with these cards besides the basics? Well, you can make cute little mini journals like I did with this one. And all I did was sew some fabric on and connect the two cards, okay? And then you could sew in your pages in the center. Very simple to do. But you say, what do I do if I don't have a sewing machine? Just use some of the rings. Poke 2 holes in each card and attach with a ring. Super simple, easy to do. Next, decorate a paper clip. Look how adorable he is, right? Isn't he adorable? I think he's adorable. Okay, and I did this by, I took a craft knife and just cut the center out of the king card and put him on here with a heart. What you could do then is use this as a frame, put a picture of your king, your queen, whatever, with whatever card, and put a photo behind it, or you could kind of make the card 3D by putting the king back in, but kind of bumping him up a little bit and giving him a 3D look like that. So that's an option too. And then you could use it as, a journaling card or something like that. But bump it up a level before you do just a plain journaling card. You can also take a playing card and cut it into the shape of a giant ticket. How fun is that? Now, something a little harder to do, you can take a card and cut it into strips. You can put double-sided tape on the back of these strips and make card tape, or you can attach these in the order they go on a page in a journal and make something interesting and like a side waterfall. Stay tuned to the end and I will show you how to do that. You can cut just the number or the letter off and use these as tabs on a journal page. Super cute way to put tabs in a journal for sure. Lastly, cut shapes. You can make any shape you want to. Any shape you can imagine, that's what you can cut. This is a simple flower that would go on a tag, could go on a page, could be even a tuck spot in a corner or up at the top. All I did was take some playing cards, cut the heart shape, and just laid them on the table and glued them all at one time together with the glue and the button. And that's what's holding it. It's that simple. Now, what if you don't have any playing cards, but you want to make something? Game cards are super cute too, and this one is from Trivial Pursuit. You could cut these little colored dots out and use them for decor. You could cut the center out and make a frame. Or you could use, other card games like these are from Win, Lose, or Draw. So whatever you have, don't be afraid to use. You know what would be really cool to use too? Are the property cards from an old Monopoly game. Those would be amazing to use. So don't limit yourself to playing cards. You don't have to do this with playing cards. You just have to use your imagination. Well, guys, I hope you liked the demonstration of how to make the sideways waterfall. I hope you liked the other things I showed you. If you did, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that little bell because we have a lot more coming your way and you don't want to miss out. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.